fixing Instagram login issues quickly. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login issues quickly and get back into your account without hassle. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart clears out temporary bugs. Now open the Instagram app and make sure it's updated. If not, go to the Play Store or App Store and update it. Enter your username, email, or phone number, and type the password. If you forgot the password, or by any chance the password that you are typing is incorrect, then tap Forget Password. Follow the instructions then. If your account was disabled by Instagram, you'll see a message when you try to log in. In that case, you can appeal directly from the app by following the instructions shown on the screen. Make sure your date and time settings are set to automatic. This can sometimes cause login errors too. That's all for the video. Try these steps and your Instagram login issue should be fixed in no time. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.